When we were together, I held you down. I gave you all of me. Look at us now. Thinking of all your excuses, but they don't add up. But now it's so easy to see you don't deserve my love. You pushed me far. You brought me through this. You had my heart, but then you blew it. And I'm so over you.